deployed here is a full version. From the level of the UI, the main difference is that here we have admin dashboard, which allows us to load and pre-process data, submit data to the remote server, and train data. So we can load data either from a local repository or from a remote repository. So in this case, we just provide a link to the repository, for example, to GitHub archive, as in this as I'm doing now. We can provide the name to the dataset and then the model. We can set up some properties of the dataset, so minimum and maximum length of sequences of test cases, some filtering here. And we hit preprocess. Depending on the size of the data, it can take a while. This is very small data set, so it's ready. In this tab, we can view all pre-processed datasets that are ready for submission. We select the ones that we have just pre-processed and upload it to the server. And then here we can view all the data collections ready for training that are sitting on the server. So we just can hit train. It can take a while, but after the model is trained, it can be viewed in default settings. So here we can see all the models that are already trained and select the ones that we want to use for providing recommendations. So this is what is not available in freemium version. However, the recommendation wizard is basically same in both versions, with the difference that in the freemium version we always have this generic model, pre-trained generic model, sitting in the background and providing recommendations. So this functionality was demoed in the first review, so I will not show it unless we have some spare time. I think that at this stage we should have, this was very small data set, so that the model should be already trained. So let's just check whether it's available. Yes, so our model is now trained and can be queried for recommendations.